Let's get in that latest news break coming in. And word coming in now that Vinesh Phogat's hearing has been deferred. Well, this is unprecedented because there was a deadline of 9:30 p.m., which was today. And now the latest that is coming in is that Vinesh's medal verdict has been deferred for the third time, the delay coming in. Now, Vinesh verdict delayed till the 16th of August. Now, this is unprecedented. Nikhil Naz is with me. He's going to take us through this news break. You know, Nikhil, all eyes were transfixed, peeled at 9:30 p.m. I've been checking my phone every minute. The verdict now deferred. Do we know on what grounds? What happened?
No, Preeti, these are just initial details coming in, which we are breaking first on India Today. The press release is yet to come, but I can confirm that the verdict has been deferred till the 16th. That's 3 more days. What are the grounds for that? We are not 100% sure at the moment, but what I can see at the moment, and this is something that had happened earlier as well, there have been certain loopholes that have been exploited by the, the arguments that have been made in favor of the Indian wrestler in Vinesh Phogat. I think because this is an unprecedented situation, because of those loopholes, maybe the arbitrator has been forced really hard to think as to what should be the right verdict. Also remember, Preeti, it's not going to be an easy one. It's not just about handing over a medal to an athlete. It's more about where does the sport of wrestling go from here. So whatever decision is taken, whether it's in favor of Vinesh or against her, will have grave repercussions on the sport of wrestling per se. So maybe some more deliberations are needed. We're still awaiting the details, whether more documents have been asked from both parties to be submitted. That's exactly what happened last time, where when the extension came, there was another extension for more documents to be submitted. But maybe what I can, if I can hazard a guess, maybe they need time to consult some more experts, and that one judge bench that you have at the moment is not 100% certain as to what should be the decision at the moment. All I can say from a macro point of view, that if you're an Indian fan hoping for some good news, this would, in that sense, indicate that you are heading towards a scenario where there could be good news. Because to begin with, the matter completely seemed, in favor of the International Wrestling Federation, where they followed the rule to the T.
But Nikhil, because what one can't really understand is the last press release came in and set itself a deadline, saying that 9:30 p.m. by tonight we'd know whether the decision is in favor or against Vinesh Phogat. So clearly there's something which is going on way deeper than what we are actually witnessing right now. But the news break, Nikhil, you're saying we're yet to get in a word from the CAS. How do we know that this verdict has been deferred? Where is it coming from?
Well, I mean, I'm not at the liberty of revealing my source at the moment, yes. But what I can confirm is that it's been deferred. We're still waiting for the final word to come from the Indian Olympic Association and the Court of Arbitration for Sports. I'm hoping that is going to be out very soon.
All right, so we get in an understanding. In midst of all of this, Nikhil, where is Vinesh Phogat? Because, the closing ceremony in the Olympics has happened. Our players are back. They are being celebrated. They are being honored. Where is Vinesh Phogat?
That's a question, Preeti, that I can't answer with great degree of certainty, because her whereabouts are not known to anybody, not even people close to her, not even a lot of her relatives back here in India, not the Indian Olympic Association, not even the Indian Wrestling Federation. Nobody seems to know where she is at the moment. What we did report here on India Today was the last time we saw her was checking out of the Games Village about 20 hours ago. She checked out of the Games Village. We did track a couple of flights that were coming in from Paris to India, and she wasn't on any of those flights. There is a possibility that she's decided to stay back, spend some time in a hotel alongside her husband, who's also there in Paris, and wait for the judgment. Or it is a possibility that she may be landing in India anytime, because more flights are expected to be landing in the next 10 to 12 hours.